Okay, now let me introduce another two conditions for congruency. Those are AAS, or angle, side, as well as HL, hypotenuse, leg. Let's start with this one first. So let's say that I know that this angle right here measures, say 60 degrees. And so does this one. Let's say also that this angle right here measures 30 degrees. And this one as well. Okay? So we know these are the same, those are the same. And we also know that these two sides are the same. Let's say that these measure 7 centimeters each. Okay, through angle, side, side, we know that these two triangles are congruent. And of course, if the triangles are congruent, we know that everything else that is corresponding happens to be equal in the same way. So these sides are the same. Those two are the same as well. And so are these angles. Great. So that's angle, side. Now let's prove hypotenuse, or sorry, actually, let me introduce hypotenuse leg, which is another condition. So now let's for a second forget about these things that I said before. Okay. So let's say that we know for a fact that these two angles measure 90 degrees. So that's why we have the little square here. They indicate that these are both measuring, these angles are measuring 90 degrees. And also, let's say that this side measures 8 centimeters as well as this side over here. So the side opposite to a 90-degree triangle is called the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse of both these triangles, they both measure 8 centimeters. Now, let's say that we also know that this side right here measures 7 centimeters, and here as well. So this is a leg of this right triangle, and so is this one. And they're the same. So through hypotenuse leg, so HL, we can prove that these two triangles are in fact congruent. So hypotenuse leg. So every time we have, well, first we always need to know that we have a 90-degree angle. So we have two right triangles. We have equal hypotenuses. I think that's the plural of hypotenuses, but I could be wrong. And not very good with vocabulary. And we know that two legs are also the same. So through hypotenuse leg, we know that these two triangles are indeed congruent. That's it.